Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik, and in today's news we have Evolved Shoot Effects, a pack of effects animations for MZ by Dream Circle, a Battler of a Garbage Golem by Mikuru. In plugin releases for today, we have an MV and MZ plugin by Takeshi Sunagawa that allows us to change the target of event commands to specific followers. An MV and MZ plugin by Lulu's Church that displays choices in the style of a visual novel game. An MZ plugin by Takeshi Sunagawa that allows calling and running an event on the map with a plugin command. And an MZ plugin by Frixel that removes the item drop limit for battles, so we can add even more. And lastly, we have some templates of game design documents by Michael Kirby that we can use and fill in to better plan out our game before we start working on it. And that is all for today. Go back to game making now.